This is probably the longest episode in this entire series. So this episode is of like two parts. So what happened was like initially we were like, okay, let's give it a try. And then if it goes well, we will actually film it.
So today we are going around the campus asking people what they think about Synergia. Follow me. Okay, no, cut.
दोस्तों हम आ चुके हैं सह्याद्री कैंपस पर। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट और दोस्त अनिरुद्ध भारद्वाज और हम आ चुके हैं कैंपस पर दोस्त हमारे यहाँ कैंपस के
बिलासपुर
से पूछने के लिए क्या है सिनर्जिया। चलिए पूछते हैं।
So who is our first target? Who is the first victim? First victim?
We are going to hunt for him.
Let's go.
Let's see who is our first bakra. See Akia.
Hey, same frame. Okay. Okay. Place your tripod, please. Okay. So guys, you know Synergia is coming soon. What are your thoughts on it? It's upside down, man.
I'm thoughtless. I'm speechless. What do you
Say
think?
you're excited. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Action.
What do you think about Synergia?
What are your thoughts?
about that event, guys?
Very
Yay!
excited. Very excited. Can't wait for it. But we can't
See?
the
You can see the happiness in their faces, guys. Let's move to our next target. As you know, Synergia is coming to our college. What is your... Come. So, follow me to the canteen. Let's see the rest of the reactions of the campus, guys. As you can see, everyone is so excited. The event is just a month away, and you can see it in their faces of everyone being so happy for this event. Let's move on.
हेलो दोस्तों हेलो दोस्तों मैं आपका होस्ट और दोस्त अनिरुद्ध भारद्वाज। हम आ चुके हैं सह्याद्री कैंपस पर और हम आज आप हमारे स्टूडेंट से पूछेंगे सिनर्जिया क्या है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हेलो व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Okay, it's a very vast event, so we are very excited and we are waiting for the many people. Like it is a kind of new experience, right? Yeah, that's it.
तो आप देख ही चुके हैं हमारे यहाँ पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स आ चुका है और चलिए पूछते हैं किसी और से। चलिए दोस्तों व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑफ सिनर्जिया?
I don't know, bro.
Say you're excited.
Really, I don't know.
What do you think of Synergia is coming next month?
Yes, it's great.
You're on camera. What do you think of Synergia, bro? It's coming next month.
It's very cool. That's it.
So, lights, camera, one. So, what do you think about Synergia?
Synergia is a pretty good event. I heard that there are gonna be concerts and stuff.
अबे यार ये कौन है भाई साहब?
So, guys, we are here with Nihal today. What is your opinion on Synergia?
Synergia is Synergia. Last time I was in the media team, just for everyone's knowledge. And yeah, it's cool. Look forward to it.
As you can see, he is very excited. Now we'll ask our next person. What is your opinion on Synergia?
Out of one whole year, this is the 3 days you could enjoy. So yeah, enjoy.
As you can see, everyone is very excited. See you in the next spot.
So what according to you is Synergia?
I don't know.
What?
Why would you invade my privacy? I'm drinking water.
Yo. Hi, man. What is your opinion on Synergia?
Synergia. It's a 3-day event, I guess, and they'll be having many concerts and stuff. And nothing other than that. We'll get 3 days holiday if you want.
Exactly, as you can see, even he's excited. Next.
So hello Shamit. Hello. So what is Synergia? What do you know what is Synergia?
Yeah, it's like a mega event conducted by Sahyadri of Engineering College.
Are you excited about it?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
3 days holiday it seems.
Hey, fuck. I can swear.
No curse.
Beep.
Alright. So what else are you expecting from us? They say there's concert coming for Synergia.
Oh, so damn.
Yeah.
That much budget we have.
So had food, huh?
Happy, bro. I'll.
Had food?
Yeah, nice.
Okay, yeah, good job. That's it. Cut.
हेलो दोस्तों हम आ चुके हैं सह्याद्री के हेलो दोस्तों, हम आज के सह्याद्री कैंटीन और हम आज पूछने वाले स्टूडेंट्स को क्या है सिनर्जिया। चलिए। और ब्रो कैसा हो तुम?
I am fine.
What's your name, bro?
Rishi Shetty.
So what according to you is Synergia?
Synergia is a big event hosted by Sahyadri College on November 7th, 8th and 9th. And I have been a core member of SSTH. What else? What do you need? Synergia, okay. Synergia consists of 3 parts. I am a core member of one of the part, SSTH.
It's okay. That's it, guys. Thanks and stay tuned for new updates. हेलो दोस्तों, और हम इधर हैं कुछ बेरोजगार दोस्तों के लिए पूछने के लिए व्हाट इज सिनर्जिया। चलिए। हे ब्रो, व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इज सिनर्जिया?
Can I eat, bro?
Bro, wait. I also have to see it.
कट
Synergia.
Either you laugh or you talk.
It's a mega tech event where exciting stuffs are gonna happen.
Guys, join us, please. It's a good event.
Can't do anything, guys. No cap.
Since the trial version was really nice, we decided we will do this reel, and then we decided we'll do it on the CS branch entry, which went really well and the response was really amazing. And I really liked the end work in the video. The video came really amazing and it performed decent also, not gonna lie. The video performed very well in the social media platforms.
Doom. Sanket. Describe Synergy in one word.
Yes, shut up, man.
Please.
My last year's only. If you see, no. Hey, no. It'll be seen, bro.
Okay.
It'll be seen. No.
What according to you is Synergia?
Cock.
Hey girls, do you want to talk about what is Synergia?
What?
So what according to you is Synergia?
I don't know.
Hold this. Wait. Yeah, go on.
What do I tell you? Events fest.
And
I don't know.
bro is actually busy focusing on a plate.
What, bro? I'm really confused right now.
Hungry guys, she's hungry. हेलो दोस्तों, हम आज के सह्याद्री कैंपस पर मैं हूं आपका होस्ट और दोस्त अनिरुद्ध भारद्वाज, और हम आज के सह्याद्री कैंपस। Oh, that's fucked up. Hello. I think we scared her, guys.
Mega event.
A mega event.
It is so good. If you're not participating, you're missing out, dude. Seriously. Why are you even living if you're not participating, huh? Why? You don't deserve to live if you don't participate in Synergia, okay? Come to Synergia. Come to Synergia.
You got that? Come to Synergia. Hello there, what's your name?
No, Kritika.
Okay, what according to you is Synergia? What according to you is Synergia?
Laka.
Laka.
So, hey guys, I have taken over from Anirudh. So, let's hunt for someone who will tell about Synergia. Anyone? Oh, bro. Wait. Okay, your name?
I'm Nihal.
Okay, so Nihal, so what do you think about Synergia?
Synergia is the godfather of all events. It's the coolest event mankind has ever known. If you don't come to Synergia, you are not cool. If you want to be a cool boy, come to Synergia, and a cool girl.
And let's move on. Thank you. Practice for one line. Practice. Your name?
Arya.
So Arya, as I know you are the part of the volunteering team, so aren't you excited for Synergia?
Yeah, very much. I'm really looking forward for the decoration to turn out really good. So if you wanna check in what's cooking, please come and check.
Hey guys, we have the Malayali gang of our college. Let's ask them what is Synergia. പൊലയാടി മോനെ.
ക്യാമറ കണ്ടിട്ട്.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Anirudh.
That's my name. So my name is Abhinav.
Advait, bro.
What's up, man?
Hi man. What is this?
What's your name?
My name is Advait. What's up, bro? How's life? What is the video about?
Video is about we are asking strangers what is Synergia, but you're not stranger. But still, we are asking what, according to you, is Synergia?
Am I a stranger in your life?
How can you be?
Now we have the star. So we can find an influencer right in the corner. So,
Hi.
what's your name?
Star bhai. Nahi star bhai bana rahi.
Okay. What do you think about Synergia?
Synergy, okay. Synergy is a mega event. Past years it is taking place. Very. And phone. Okay. Ingana. And ora cut man dada. Near vare. Ora cut man pla. Obo cat man pa. Phone keep on. Angana re. Okay.
Okay. Take 2.
Piro. Retake.
Hey, bro, what's your name?
I'm Anup, bro. What's up?
Hey, Anup. So, what, according to you, is Synergia?
An event, bro.
An event, guys. An event. Anything else? You wanna
Nothing.
add?
Thank you.
Thank you. Had lunch?
Yes, sir.
So, we have a beautiful girl over here. Let's ask her what is Synergia.
You asked me already.
So what? We are not including that. Okay. What's your name?
Shreya.
Hey, Shreya. What, according to you, is Synergia?
It's a day where we get holidays and we don't have class.
Hey, bro. What's your name?
Ritvik.
Okay, Ritvik. What, according to you, is Synergia?
Apparently, I had class today, but I am here for the branch entry.
You want to add something else?
Synergia. Synergia is an event gonna be held on
By this time, the whole event will get over, man.
November 7th, 8th and 9th. So, someone...
Can I kill him?
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
I'm baking you. Oh, don't give that constipated face, please. You're on camera, man. Okay, so you shouldn't say that on camera, man. If you're cool, come to Synergia. What the fuck?
Come on November 7th, 8th and 9th. We are left with only 7 days. Woo!
I didn't tell anything, bro.
Hello dosto. So we are in Sayadri canteen. So we'll be asking what is Synergia.
I think so. Obviously, it's my first time here. So I'm really excited for Synergia.
Synergia is our college fest. It's a tech fest, national tech fest. Students from all over the country will be here and it's really fun.
So a platform where you can showcase your talent and you can vibe, you can have fun.
It's all about the tech fest, and I swear it will be more interesting than anything else.
Okay, are you excited for Synergia?
Yes!
We are really interested to see what is Synergia going to be this year.
As you guys have seen, we at Sayadri are excited to host this mega event. So if you all participate, come on November 7th, 8th and 9th.
If you don't come to Synergia, you are not cool.